Sarah here, reporting on Sharks LLC, a diamond-certified HVAC contractor serving homeowners throughout the South Bay. Owner Khaled Alsaka and his team of highly skilled technicians offer a variety of services that are designed to improve indoor air quality, from installing and repairing heating and air conditioning systems to inspecting and cleaning ductwork. Sharks' primary goal is to help its customers protect their HVAC systems while maintaining a healthier, more comfortable home environment. The company's technicians undergo manufacturer-specific training, and every project is supported by comprehensive warranties, responsive service, and detailed quality control. A key part of Sharks' commitment to long-term customer satisfaction is its ASAP membership plan, which offers exclusive benefits like annual tune-ups, priority scheduling during peak seasons, and significant discounts on repairs and equipment replacements. As Khaled Alsaka says, ASAP is just one more example of the company's dedication to excellence.